doing something completely different. See, I have some melted slime here.
It's basically
And
mix them up. Okay.
so I got this bowl here. I'm just going to pour this in.
It's really sticky.
So we got the borax activator here. I'm going to put a ton of it, and I'm going to start mixing with my hands. I'm going to get my glasses off. Just going to have a bit of a clearer look.
Me too.
Put that down.
That just went on the other side of the room.
So I'm just going to bring it here. Because it's really, really... So I'm going to keep on trying to activate this, and I'll be back in 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so we're ready.
The
now,
slime
this
turned out good.
slime did not really want to activate, but it's like activated, but not like very well. It still sticks onto your hands, but only like a bit. It's really jiggly. To be honest,
Seriously?
it's like really
Don't touch
jiggly.
So
Yeah.
So the shout outs go to thank you so much for being part of our SVS squad. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, we'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Bye.